So Serene consists of three components: the membership hub and the live Q&A session that happens on Zoom and our Facebook community. So the membership hub is hosted on a platform called Kajabi. So this is a very robust platform that is designed for memberships and courses. So all our lessons, all the videos and everything, all the content will be hosted on this platform. So you need your login ID for this. So make sure you enter through your login IDs. And so that's where all the content is. So that's our Serene hub. The next is the live Q&A session that happens over Zoom. So on Zoom, monthly once, we meet up in real time, and it's a Q&A session. You can ask me questions, and I'm here to guide you through and give you insights, and you can share your wins. And it's just for us to connect in real time. And the third component, of course, is the Facebook group, where it's an exclusive group where we all share our creations, we post our works, and get insights. You can ask questions, share resources. So that's a place for us to grow our skills, to see how others are doing the same project, and often there's so much learning happens in the group by watching each other. So that is the third component. Now coming to the modules, we have 4 modules that is posted every month. So the first module is the Tangle Talks, which is the Q&A session that happens over Zoom. So this happens on Thursday at 7:30 p.m. All modules drop on Thursday at 7:30 p.m. So the first is the Tangle Talks, which happens on the Zoom session. So you will be sent a Zoom link to join, and once you join, we have either activity or we do our Q&A sessions. So once that is done, a replay is then again hosted on the membership hub. So if you can't join us live, you can always watch the replay. And if you have any questions, you can send them out to me in advance, so I would address them in the call as well. And so the second module is Tangle Scroll. So Tangle Scroll is basically designed to build our basics, and even if you're an advanced tangler, it's a nice way to go back to basics. So the whole point is to create a repertoire of tangles that we can use, that we have in hand whenever we need. And the next module, the third module, is Tangle Mastery. So this is a set of projects that are simple, fun, and more exploring some simple techniques which you can again use them in on your bigger projects. So Tangle Mastery focuses on that, and these are again projects that you can watch at your own pace. So these are all pre-recorded projects. And then our fourth module is Tangle Artistry. Now these are slightly bigger projects, a little bit more intense, and a bit more complex, but definitely they are fun, and it's a nice way to kind of build your skills. So, and then the whole process repeats again. The next month we start with Tangle Talks. We start with followed by Tangle Scroll, and then followed by Tangle Mastery and Artistry. So that's the plan for Serene.